Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to deduct business expenses on TurboTax in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to gather necessary documents. So go ahead and collect your business expenses records, include receipts and invoices. Once you have all of those documents, you're going to log into TurboTax. So go ahead on the TurboTax website and sign into your account using your email address and your password. And once you sign into your account, you're going to select the tax year that you want to deduct business expenses for. And next, you're going to select the business expenses. So choose business expenses and then select the type of expenses that you want to deduct. And once that's done, next you're going to enter your business expenses. So go ahead and enter your business expenses, including any payments made for equipment, supplies, or travels. So just enter all that expenses, and then you can claim the business expense deduction. So once you've entered the business expense, you can go ahead and claim the business expense deduction based on those expenses. And once that's done, you're going to review and submit. So review your business expenses deduction claim and then submit it to the IRS, and they're going to take care of the rest. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to deduct business expenses on TurboTax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next